Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and add comments. And keep it friendly please, thank you. And also hit the notification button for more updates on more videos. Thank you. This is the LV Avenue sling bag in DAMIERE Graphite color. It's a coated canvas with black leather trimmings. The zipper opens quite smoothly and has an adequate amount of main compartment with one small pocket inside. And it has one outside zip pocket. And it's good for storing your keys, cell phones, and anything that you need for quick access. It has silver metallic zippers with LV logo. The leather label inside says made in France. It has two D-ring attachments at the back, so you can easily switch the straps from either left or right side wherever you choose to carry your bag. The clips are very easy to open. The bag measures about 8 by 12 by 4 inches and has a textile lining. Thank you for watching our quick unboxing, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification and like buttons, and please feel free to add comments. Thank you.